Hey guys, Kamalamgu Oi, welcome back to the new vlog. Thank you for subscribing. I can't believe we're on 33 subscribers, even though half of them are people that I know, like my family, my brothers, friends, and my boyfriend, my cousin. Yeah, half of the subscribers are people that I know. I don't have friends, okay? So, but thank you for your kindness. Study all
I just can't wait. I just can't wait to hold you, baby. Oh. It's been a long time since I've seen that face. Oh, that pretty little face. Let me wrap my arms around you and never let it go. Love me unconditional.
Hey sweethearts, I just finished cleaning. So we're gonna eat bread meat namhlanje because I'm so tired. I can't cook. I'm so tired. So let's go fry the meat. I asked my brother to do the malashes. I son uwaconze ke Cosmoko.
I'll look back on this moment and see your hand on it. You're the girl who comes through. I'll be singing. It's the story I'll tell. Amba upumupe. Amba upumupele. Amba upumupe.
News happened the entire time. I'm telling you that Dubai. News. I pay us for right. News about. News about. News as a man. Happy to try them. Guys, hey guys, I'm sure you can't really see me because it's exciting and so we are going to the clinic. My brother had the chicken pox. I was like, hey, but chicken pox. You have to go to my daughter Kesana and my sister. So
ngijabulile umoya ugobekile inhliziyo iphukile akusalanga ngishithambo ngilimalile enhlizweni yami intombi yami engangitshela nayo kwafika abafana baseGoli ekhaya bayithatha kodwa ithi ngisazoyisebenzela ongabafanyana intombi yami engangitshela nayo kwafika abafana baseGoli ekhaya bayithatha intombi yami engangitshela nayo kwafika abafana baseGoli ekhaya bayithatha
ethuna angicela ulandela clinic angijoin iline ifune ngaphandle so siyajika bandla
uzohambe ifuna angeke kusaba mnandi ekhaya
yes oh guys bububhanxa ndiya public clinics or hospitals ngisika lapha eclinic ngibonisa ukuthi ngiyaphi ngicaphuke ngiphelile because why the hell yabona mntu nami yapha down yo hayi sana anamhla sithi ke aba abanye abantu basuka eclinic yethu lapho lapha nazi imoto eziya emqanduli nasemthathu nansi idolophu phesheya. That's the town. This is us coming from the clinic. Because I said, what I went through is insane, guys. Crazy business. So I'm coming back from the clinic. I said to my brother and the kids, they must go to the pharmacy. So
Uzuba tutheloliwe, uzuba tutheloliwe, uzuba tutheloliwe, andisoze ndiyeGoli, uzuba tutheloliwe, uzuba tutheloliwe, uzuba tutheloliwe, andisoze ndiyeGoli, lo mlungu dep okwenene ndamzonda ngoba uthatha isithando sami andisoze ndiyeGoli lo mlungu dep okwenene ndamzonda
ngiyabonga